one thing, that's mindfulness. And we tend to be at our most productive when we're doing that. It's also something that we can practice. And here we get into what's sometimes called mindfulness meditation. Now, I'm not going to say a whole lot about this because there are lots of really great talks available online already about meditation. But I will say this. Meditation means attention training. And with mindfulness, we focus our attention on the present through the senses. We notice when the mind wanders, and it will. Right? It's the nature of the mind to wander. Some of you might have heard of that now famous Harvard research that's found that we're distracted nearly half our lives. And there's a report from Microsoft a few years ago that found that the average human attention span is now 8 seconds. 1 second less than a goldfish. So the mind will wander, it's a given, and we're not trying to stop that. And meditation is not about getting rid of our thoughts. It's about noticing when the mind's wandered so we can bring it back. And if we start to practice that, like anything we practice, we get better at it. So we notice when the mind's wandered and we learn just to bring it straight back without any further thinking or judgment. And we start to spend longer in the present and become more focused and engaged. And then we can apply that to anything we want, like study. It also changes the brain. The neuroscience shows that mindfulness meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus, 2 key learning areas associated with attention and memory. Meanwhile, it dials down the activation in the amygdala, the brain's fear centre, so that we're less stressed and anxious. And this is why we're seeing meditation pop